Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 25 février and this is going to be a video for all of my classes, both regular and pre-AP. So first thing we did was, as usual, we did our warm-ups. So I'm going to go to weekly warm-ups and click on the today's warm-up. Just a simple little meme with a cat in the shower cap wrapped in a towel, and the phrase is Je pense qu'aujourd'hui je vais rester à la maison. Je pense qu'aujourd'hui je vais rester à la maison. And we determined that it meant I think that today I'm going to stay at the house or at home. I think that today I'm going to stay at the house or at home. So I just thought it was a cute meme. So we did that. Then we did a reading comprehension activity. So I'm going to go to my French 2 pre-AP notes and activities. And I am going to scroll down to where it says activities and worksheets, to where it says reading comprehension activity. We're going to pull that up. So everyone got a copy of this, and if you were absent, you also got one in the folder for your class period. We read, I had you read the conversation, working with people in your group, and underlining the words that you knew for sure, you knew what they meant. Excuse me. And then circling the words you thought you recognized. And then we got together as a class and we discussed what it could be talking about, what this conversation could be about between Julien and Maxime. Once we came up with a good discussion as to what it might be about, then we watched the video. Okay, and so this is the video that we watched. I'm going to let it play, and so you can use it for when you do your paper, or you can come in during power hour and we can work it together. Because I did have you do this and turn it in. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video.
Le maillot, là, il coûte combien?
Il est en solde.
38 €. C'est un peu cher, n'est-ce pas? Donc j'achète un blason pour mon blouson.
Allons-nous au stade voir le match de PSG contre Marseille?
Parce que tu veux voir perdre le PSG?
Je vais soutenir l'équipe de Marseille, parce qu'ils sont les meilleurs.
Bon, rendez-vous à 3 heures? Je vais t'attendre devant la bouche du métro.
Disons 2h45. Je vais porter mon maillot de Marseille.
Ça ne me surprend pas. Tu achètes les tickets sur Internet et je te rembourse après?
Okay. So you can obviously pause the video and watch it again, pause video, and rewatch it as many times as you need to. So I'm going to go back to where we were before. All right, here. Okay, so we watched the video a couple of times and we discussed what was going on in the video, and then we went back through the conversation to determine more things that we figured out from the conversation. Then as a group, you went and you looked at each question and determined what each question was asking, and then you went and wrote what it meant. And I'm going to let you do this and come in during power hour and do this with me if you need to, and then you can turn it in for a grade. All right? Because if I give you the answers, it's not the point. So this is what we did today. We did the warm-up, then we did this reading comprehension activity, and we watched the video to go along with it, and we answered the questions. And that was it. Bon après-midi. À demain.